How to turn on or turn off sounds on IQ Option app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off sounds on IQ Option app in easy fast way. First thing we do, we go to IQ Option right here, and as you can see this is the home page. Now if you want to add sounds, just go to the top corner here, and then you will have many options here. Click on settings option and then click on trading. As you can see here, you will find options and you will find the sounds option. You can turn it on or turn it off as you want, just from here. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.